Please hit the subscribe button and tap the bell icon for the future notification to watch more videos of latest fashions and trends. Thank you so much for your love.
Hello
and
friends,
support.
welcome back to Amazing Women's World. In this video I have come up to show a making of this bridal blouse designing, which is really looking rich and elegant using the normal stitching needle. So let's quickly start with the designing of the neckline. On the neckline markings I had been applying the glue to stick the pearl lace. This is how it looks. Followed with this, we'll continue the designing. Here I'd be sticking silver color circular kundan, and next to that I'd be stitching semi-circle pearls of small size, followed with the Zardozi work like this. This is to enhance the pearl. So for each and every pearl we have to highlight with the Zardozi string like that. Firstly we'll create the flower shape here of 5 petals with the pearl. So the first petal has done. Remaining 4 I'd be stitching here, maintaining the equal gaps. These are the designer patches. Using these patches we are creating on the neckline. So 5 petal flower has to be created first. Next to this I would be sticking the chain ball lace. Mark the circular shape all around, and on that circular shape I would be applying the glue like this to stick the chain ball lace. Here I would be elaborating step by step so that it will make your work easy to do. Also you can try this on your old blouses to turn into new designer blouses. And next to this I'd measure the stone lace of this circular shape and I'll cut accordingly. Apply the glue all around this chain ball lace to stick the stone lace. Next to this I'd be using antique gold Zardozi of small size. I'd be placing this just beside this stone lace and giving an invisible stitches on it. This is to enhance the circular shape. Now the remaining gaps has to be filled with the pearls like this. 2 I'd be stitching in these gaps. Now I'm finishing this neckline. For that I'd be applying the glue line again. This is to stick the pearl lace. This is how the neckline has to be made. I hope this is clear to know. You can also try this on the sleeves following these instructions, and having any doubts you can write to me in the comment section so that I can address your queries. I'll be showing the booty or the motif. For that also I'll be sticking the kundan in the center, followed with the chain ball lace. And next to this I'd stitch 7 pearls with the Zardozi highlighting. So for this motif I would be creating 7 petals here, maintaining the same gaps like how I have shown for the 5 petal creating with the pearl and the Zardozi. The same way here I'd be stitching with the 7 pearls along with the Zardozi. Once the flower is completed, this is how it looks. Now locate the centers exactly in these petals, and in the same way like how I've created the petals, pearl with the Zardozi, I would stitch in the centers of these petals. And this type of very rich and beautifully designed exclusively for the bridal collection, which is so expensive in the market. You can turn your old blouses to new design blouses following these instructions. And this is how the complete booty has to be designed. Once completed, the sleeves with the booty would look like this. Isn't it looking so awesome and rich looking? I hope sharing of this idea is useful to you all. If you really enjoyed watching this video, please hit the like icon to support my efforts. Also do share this video in your community or circles, may be useful to others. Thank you so much for watching, friends. Meet you all with another interesting video. Subscribe to Amazing Women's World channel. Stay tuned to watch more videos of latest fashions and trends. Please do also hit the bell icon to receive future notifications.